Google Bard AI versus ChatGPT. Google Bard AI will be able to answer real-time questions. ChatGPT responses are based on data available till 2021. Using Google Bard AI requires a minor adjustment to the Google settings to get regular search results, while ChatGPT returns only text responses. Google Bard is based on Lambda, while ChatGPT is based on GPT. ChatGPT has its own plagiarism detector, AI text classifier, a feature not yet available for Google Bard. Google Bard AI is completely free for now. ChatGPT Plus is a newly introduced paid plan by OpenAI. Chatbots like ChatGPT and Lambda are more expensive to operate than typical software. Bard's use of the lighter weight version of Lambda allows the technology to be run at a lower cost.